Little path that I laid winding round, orange glow in the leaves by the fence, tiny slice of a dream that finally makes sense. I'm walking through my fruit forest heaven, every branch a story that I've grown. Oranges, lemons, peaches in the sunlight, apples, grapes and mango on their throne, cherry, apricot and berry spilling over every sweet and simple seed I've sown, enjoying all the fruits of my labor. Feels like heaven in my own backyard home. Lemon scent on the tips of my hands, purple stains where the grape cluster hangs, peach fuzz brushing soft on my cheek. Every step that I take tastes like another week. I'm walking through my fruit forest heaven, every branch a story that I've grown. Oranges, lemons, peaches in the sunlight, apples, grapes and mango on their throne, cherry, apricot and berry spilling over every sweet and simple seed I've sown, enjoying all the fruits of my labor. Feels like heaven in my own backyard home. Morning air, bare feet on the ground, little path that I laid winding round, orange glow in the leaves by the fence, tiny slice of a dream that finally makes sense. I'm walking through my fruit forest heaven, every branch a story that I've grown. Oranges, lemons, peaches in the sunlight, apples, grapes and mango on their throne, cherry, apricot and berry spilling over every sweet and simple seed I've sown, enjoying all the fruits of my labor. Feels like heaven in my own backyard home. Lemon scent on the tips of my hands, purple stains where the grape cluster hangs, peach fuzz brushing soft on my cheek. Every step that I take tastes like another week. I'm walking through my fruit forest heaven, every branch a story that I've grown. Oranges, lemons, peaches in the sunlight, apples, grapes and mango on their throne, cherry, apricot and berry spilling over every sweet and simple seed I've sown, enjoying all the fruits of my labor. Bare feet on the morning ground. Backyard gate, I'm wandering out. Sunlight in the tangled leaves. Breathing in how easy this can be. Orange blush and lemon gold. Peach fuzz, apples hanging low. Grapes that shimmer on the vine. Every color saying take your time. Strolling through my little fruit forest. Every step a quiet surprise. Mango, cherry, apricot. Berries in chorus, filling up my hands and my eyes. Young avocado trees just learning to rise. I'm already full, I'm already alright. Taking each day as a miracle of life. Honey on my fingertips. Juice runs sweet, I let it drip. Life alone, a purple stain. Simple joy that doesn't need a name. Tiny birds above my head. Clouds drift slow, soft and red. This small world behind my door holds more grace than I could ask for. Strolling through my little fruit forest. Every step a quiet surprise. Mango, cherry, apricot. Berries in chorus, filling up my hands and my eyes. Young avocado trees just learning to rise. I'm already full, I'm already alright. Taking each day as a miracle of life. Bare feet on the morning ground. Backyard gate, I'm wandering out. Sunlight in the tangled leaves. Breathing in how easy this can be.